Today we will discuss convolution theorem. So the statement is, if Laplace inverse f bar s is equal to ft and Laplace inverse g bar s is equal to gt, then Laplace inverse g bar s into f bar s is equal to integration 0 to t fu into g t minus u. So the integration limit 0 to t gu f t minus u du. Now we will prove this theorem. Let phi t is equal to integration 0 to t gu f t minus u du. Now Laplace phi t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st bracket integration 0 to t gu f t minus u du dt. Now integration 0 to infinity and integration u is equal to 0 to t e to the power minus st gu f t minus u du dt. Here it is t is equal to 0, here it is u equal to 0. Now the limits are t u to t infinity and u is equal to 0 to u is infinity. Now changing the order, so integration u to 0, u is equal to 0 to infinity, and integration t is equal to u to infinity e to the power minus st gu f t minus u du dt. Now integration u is equal to 0 to infinity gu bracket integration t is equal to u to infinity e to the power minus st f t minus u dt du. Now put t minus u is equal to x. So on differentiation dt is equal to dx and limits are x equal to 0 to x equal to infinity. Therefore Laplace phi is equal to integration 0 to infinity gu integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus s x plus u fx dx du. So integration 0 to infinity gu integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus sx e to the power minus su fx dx du. Then the integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus su g u du integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus sx fx dx. So Laplace phi t is equal to g bar s into f bar s. So phi t is equal to Laplace inverse g bar s into f bar s. Then integration 0 to t fu g t minus u du is equal to Laplace inverse g bar s into f bar s. Now this is the convolution theorem. Now there is a question related to convolution theorem. So Laplace inverse 1 by 1 minus p minus 1 and p plus 2. So 1 by p minus 1 is equal to e to the power t and 1 by p plus 2 is equal to e to the power minus 2t. So this is f bar s and this is g bar s. Now by the convolution theorem, Laplace inverse f bar s into g bar s is equal to integration 0 to t fu g t minus u du. So integration 0 to t e to the power u into e to the power minus 2t minus u du, which is equal to 0 to t integration e to the power u into e to the power minus 2t e to the power 2u du. Then integration 0 to t e to the power u plus 2u e to the power minus 2t du, which is equal to e to the power minus 2t 0 to t integration e to the power 3u du, which is equal to e to the power minus 2t e to the power 3u by 3 in limit 0 to t. Then it will be 1 by 3 e to the power minus 2t e to the power 3 into t minus 3 into 0. So 1 by 3 e to the power minus 2t. So we will get e to the power 3t minus e to the power 0. The value of e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we will get 1 by 3 e to the power minus 2t bracket e to the power 3t minus 1. So the answer is 1 by 3 e to the power t minus e to the power minus 2t.